Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see the new continuation for the biomolecules. The topic is fructose. So previous class we studied about the previous video glucose. Okay, what is mean by glucose is a monosaccharides. The same thing we are going to learn about the fructose. Okay, first we are going to see the what is mean by fructose. Fructose is what is mean by fructose. Fructose is also is a monosaccharide. Fructose is also monosaccharide. That is the same molecular formula of the glucose. What is the molecular formula of glucose? That is C6H12O6. Okay, this is also this is also fructose. Okay, this is the structure of formula of fructose. First, what is the preparation? How it will be prepared? It is prepared from the sucrose. So what is meant by sucrose? So sucrose is by heating with a dilute sulfuric acid or with the enzyme invertase. So what is the formula of sucrose? C12H22O11. Okay, what is this? What is meant by sucrose? Sucrose is present in the cane sugar, right? So when react with dilute sulfuric acid in the presence of water or invertase enzymes, H2SO4 is the sulfuric acid. Invertase enzymes act as a catalyst. Invertase enzymes act as a catalyst to form the glucose. So what is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6 glucose and the fructose. The equal molecule of glucose and the fructose. C6H12O6. One is glucose and another one is fructose. Glucose and another one is fructose. So what is mean by invert sugar? So what is mean by invert sugar? So equal a mixture of having equal amount of glucose and fructose. Equal amount of glucose and fructose. Glucose and fructose is called as invert sugar. Fructose is called invert sugar. Okay, what is mean by invert sugars? They are asking for 2 marks. Equal amount of glucose and fructose, that is called as invert sugar. So next we are going to prepare from the inulin. What is mean by inulin? Inulin also is a polysaccharides. So polysaccharides, when inulin is a hydrolysis in an acidic medium. So in an acid medium, that is C6H12O5. What is mean by polysaccharide? N number of polysaccharide, that is called as inulin. Okay, this inulin when hydrolysis in the acid medium, that is H plus to form the fructose, is 6H12O6. Inulin in the acid medium to form the fructose. This is the preparation of fructose. Okay, what are the preparation? First one is it is prepared from the sucrose and another one it is prepared from the inulin. So next one is what is the structure of fructose. So what is how to elucidate the structure of fructose? So we already studied the structure of glucose. The same thing, structure of fructose. What is the structure of fructose? First one is, so fructose is also sweetest of all known sugars. It readily soluble in water, and also fresh solution of fructose has a specific rotation, that is 133 degree. Okay, another one is it is also is a sweet smell, sweet taste, and also readily soluble in water. And another one is, first one is the elemental analysis of the molecular formula, molecular weight determination of fructose show that it has the molecular formula. The elemental weight analysis, everything it is confirmed. The molecular weight of fructose is also C6H12O6. Another one is on reduction of fructose in the hydrogen iodine and red phosphorus to give the hexane. So that is iodohexane. And another one is mixture of N-hexane and the iodohexane. So this only it is confirmed that 6 carbon atom fructose are in a straight chain. So what is the meaning for that? So first one is fructose. Fructose reduced with hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus, it will be reduces to form the reduction to obtain the N-hexane. What is N-hexane? CH2, CH24 and CH3, that is N-hexane. Okay, this is N-hexane, 6 member of hydrocarbon, and another one is iodohexane. So what is, how to write iodohexane? CH3, CHI, then CH2, 3 and CH3. Okay, so this is called as iodohexane. This test will confirm that all the fructose is also straight chain. The structure of fructose is also present in all the carbons are present in the straight chain. Okay, that is the second point. Next one is it is react with ammonium hydroxide and HCl shows the presence of carbonyl group. Fructose react with ammonium hydroxide and hydrogen cyanide. This will confirm that this fructose contain carbonyl compound. Carbonyl group in the fructose. Carbonyl group. What is meant by carbonyl group or keto group or aldehyde group or acid group? Any of the group or carbonyl group present in the structure. So because the fructose is easily react with ammonium hydroxide and hydrogen cyanide, it will give the carbonyl group. So that is, it will confirm that it shows presence of carbonyl group in the fructose structure. Another one is this fructose react with acetic anhydride. Fructose react with acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine. Anhydride in the presence of pyridine. In the presence of pyridine to form a pentaacetate. Pentaacetate. Okay, this will confirm that presence of high hydroxyl group in the fructose molecule. So fructose react with acetic anhydride. It will in the presence of pyridine to form the pentaacetate. So this reaction shows that this fructose also having 5-hydroxyl group. What is 5-hydroxyl group? OH group. 5-OH group present in that compound. So that is the another one. Next one is the fructose is not oxidized by the bromine water. This rules out the possibility of the presence of an aldehyde. So what is the conformity test of aldehyde? So the bromine water will be decolorized. Okay, so the fructose is not, but the glucose is oxidized with the bromine water, but fructose is not oxidized with the bromine water, not oxidized bromine water. So this will be confirmed that this fructose, it does not contain the aldehyde functional group, does not contain aldehyde group. Okay, so that is rules out of the possibility of the presence of CH group. CHO group and aldehyde group இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கற இந்த கண்டிப்பா aldehyde group அங்க இருக்காது. Okay, next one is partial reduction of fructose with sodium amalgam. So what is the sixth point? The partial reduction of fructose with sodium, reduction of fructose with sodium amalgam. Fructose with sodium amalgam. Sodium amalgam and water produces the mixture of plus water. It gives the sorbitol and mannitol. Sorbitol and mannitol. It is the epimer of is a new symmetric carbon is formed in the C2 is a new epimer of the second carbon. What is meant by, again once again write the structure. CH2OH. This is the fructose structure. OH, OH. Then again CH2OH. Okay. Then in the presence of sodium amalgam, so this will form the sorbitol and the mannitol. CH2OH again. The second carbon only change. So remaining everything will be same. COH H. Again COH H. CHOH. CHOH. Then CH2OH. Okay, so this is called as sorbitol and mannitol. So what is meant by epimers? Sugar differing in the configuration at an asymmetric center is known as epimers. So this is both are epimers. What is that? Is this carbon only change, the second carbon here the position will be changed, the structure will be changed. That is the asymmetric carbon atom. What is meant by asymmetric carbon atom? So carbon each carbon containing 4 different functional groups. So that is here CH2OH, OH, H, then carbon. So that is 4 different groups are attached with the same carbon. That is called as asymmetric carbon atom. This asymmetric carbon center is differ in the configuration. This only differs. So that is the reason it's a epimer, sorbitol and the mannitol. From this we can confirm the presence of keto group. New asymmetric carbon is formed at C2. So this is the asymmetric carbon atom is formed only in the second position. So that is it will shows that the second position containing keto group. The C2 carbon containing keto group. This is the another one. Okay, so next one is oxidation of the nitric acid. So here that is oxidation of the nitric acid, which gives glycolic acid and tartaric acid. Oxidation, that is fructose plus nitric acid, it gives glycolic acid and tartaric acid. Okay, so this is the, so on oxidation fructose react with nitric acid, it is glycolic acid and the tartaric acid. So this which contains smaller number of carbon atom than in fructose. So that is the structure. Again once again write the structure, the same structure, CH2OH, C double bond O, COH, H, then CHOH, then CHOH, then CH2OH. Okay, so then it is oxidized in the presence of concentrated nitric acid to form the glycolic acid. What is glycolic acid? CH2OH, then COOH. This is called as glycolic acid. Glycolic acid and tartaric acid. COOH, then CHOH, CHOH, COOH. Okay, this is called as tartaric acid. This shows that keto group is in the presence of C2 position. It also shows that primary alcohol groups are present in the C1 position. So this is called as when oxidation it will form the glycolic acid and tartaric acid, because the first group is the only, the second group only varies. So that is the thing. So that is glycolic acid. This result is shows that C2 the keto groups are present in the C2. It is also shows that alcoholic group, primary alcohol present in the C1 position. This is the primary alcohol. That is primary alcohol. The primary alcohol is also present in the first position. So this is they based on this evidence, the following structure of fructose is confirmed. So this is the structure. Carbon is the asymmetric carbon. So this is the, from this conclusion, this is the structure of fructose. What is the structure of fructose? So CH2OH, then C double bond O, then COH, H, then CHOH, CHOH, then CH2OH. Okay, so what is this is the asterisk symbol is represent is a asymmetric carbon atom. Asymmetric carbon atom. What is asymmetric carbon? So carbon atom containing attached with the 4 different group, that is called as asymmetric carbon atom. So that is here, that is this carbon here, carbon CO, then OH, H, then carbon. So that is 4 different groups are attached in the single carbon. So that is called as asymmetric carbon. From this evidence we concluded that this is the structure of fructose. Okay. Next we are going to the cyclic structure of fructose. Okay, fructose, how many carbon is there? 6 carbon. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 carbon. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon is there. So that is the reason. So this is called as alpha D fructose. So here that is CH2OH, that is the first position, that is alpha position. What is beta D? The CH2OH is coming to the that is the above the plane and below the plane. The cyclic structure represent the top lyrically. So in the line, the single line represent is the above the plane and the below the plane. So that is the reason. So this is alpha. So this is above the plane and the below the plane. So this is alpha D fructose. So this is the another one. This is beta D fructose. So beta D fructose only difference is this CH2OH. This is the only difference. CH2OH inge மேல இருக்கு, இது CH2OH கீழ இருக்கு. So that is alpha D fructose and the beta D fructose. This is the open chain. This is the straight chain of the fructose. Okay, this is the structure. Next we are going to see the what is mean by disaccharide. What is mean by disaccharides? Disaccharide mixture of the monosaccharide, that is two molecule. When the disaccharide are sugar, that yield two monosaccharides. So that is called as disaccharides. What is mean by disaccharides? It will gives two molecules of monosaccharide. Two molecules of monosaccharides. Okay, so the disaccharide which on hydrolysis to give yield, that is two monosaccharides on hydrolysis. This reaction usually catalyzed by the dilute acid or enzyme. What is the general formula of this? General formula. What is the general formula? That is CnH2ON. Okay, this is the general formula of the disaccharide. Two monosaccharides are, another one is, in this disaccharide, two monosaccharides are linked with the glycosidic linkage or the oxide linkage. Okay, so the two monosaccharides are linked with two monosaccharide linked with two monosaccharides are linked with oxide linkage. Okay, oxide linkage. What is the name of this compound? This linkage is called glycosidic linkage. Repeatedly asking one more question. What is glycosidic linkage? Okay, I'm going to write the structure now. What is a structure of sucrose? What is meant by sucrose? What is meant by sucrose is the commonly known as table sugar. What is the name of this compound? That is table sugar. Okay, mainly it is mainly from the juice of sugarcane or sugar beets. Okay, maina karumbula irundhu edukkranga adha and the table sugar. So mainly it is obtained from the sugarcane juice. Okay, sugarcane juice. This sugarcane insects such as honey have the enzyme called invertase. With the hydrolysis of the invertase, it is converted into glucose and fructose. Okay, what is meant by structure of glucose? Glucose plus fructose, that is called as sucrose. Okay, the structure of the sucrose is glucose and fructose is linked with a glycosidic linkage to form the fructose mixture. So it is primarily how it will be sucrose. Sucrose in the presence of invertase enzymes. Invertase enzyme to form the glucose and fructose. Okay, glucose and the fructose. Okay, this is the sucrose. How to draw the structure? First one is, what is the structure of this? Is the structure of sucrose. So glucose and fructose, it will combine together to form the sucrose structure. So here this is one. So here CH2OH. Again H is linked with the glycosidic linkage. Okay, here H CH2OH. What is this fructose? That is beta D fructose. OH, H and H, OH. Again here also, here CH2OH. 1, 2. So here CH2OH, H, HOH, OH, H and the HOH. Okay, so this is the alpha D glucose and the beta D fructose. So to combine, that is called as sucrose. So this is the alpha D glucose. This is the beta D fructose. Alpha D glucose and the beta D fructose. This is combined, that is the linkage. So this is oxide linkage. So two molecules, the structures are combined with the oxide. So this is called as oxide linkage. The same thing, what is meant by, so glucose is a sucrose and glucose are dextrorotatory compound, while the fructose is the levorotatory. The fructose is the levorotatory, glucose are the dextrorotatory. So that is the two rotation will be there during hydrolysis. Sucrose and the optical rotation of the reaction dextro to levo. Hence sucrose is called, the sucrose is otherwise called as invert sugar. So I already told what is invert sugar. Sucrose is also called the invert sugar. Invert sugar or table sugar. Okay, sucrose is otherwise called as table sugar or the invert sugar. So next one is lactose. What is meant by lactose? Lactose is a disaccharide. Mainly it is found in the milk of mammals and it is referred the milk of sugar. Okay, lactose, it is found in the milk. Okay, it is found in milk. It is found in mammals milk, in milk of sugar. On hydrolysis is give the yield galactose and glucose. So beta D galactose and glucose are linked by 1,4 linkage. So here how it will be lactose form, that is galactose and glucose. Galactose and glucose 2 gives the lactose. Okay, what is the structure of lactose? Again, this is the galactose structure. CH2OH, here OH, H, here also OH, then HOH. So here only H. CH2OH, here H, OH, H and HOH. Okay, CH2OH, this is the H. Okay, this is called as, this is glucose, this is glucose, this is galactose. The line linkage is 1,4 linkage. This is the first position, galactose first position, this is the fourth position, this is here OH, H, okay, CHOH, so the CH2OH. So 1,4 linkage of this compound, this combined with the glycosidic, this is the oxide linkage or glycosidic linkage. Glycosidic linkage. So that is linked by 1,4 linkage. The aldehyde carbon is not involved in the glycosidic bond, but here the aldehyde. So here that is the galactose. The aldehyde does not involved in the glycosidic linkage. Only it retains the reducing property and is called as a reducing sugar. Lactose is called as reducing sugar. Reducing sugar, lactose, but sucrose is a table sugar or invert sugar. Okay, so this is the difference between disaccharide sucrose and the lactose. Next one is what is mean by maltose. Maltose is also device's name from the malt, and also it is which is extracted, it is commonly called as malt sugar. Malt sugar, and also sprouting barley is the major source of the maltose. Maltose is produced during the digestion of starch by the enzyme alpha amylase. What is mean by maltose. It is otherwise called as malt sugar. Malt sugar. And another one is, it is separated from the barley. Okay, it is separated from the barley. So again, it is catalyzed by the enzyme alpha amylase. What is the structure of maltose? Glucose, alpha D glucose is linked with the 1,4 linkage. So glucose plus glucose linked with the 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Okay, so how next one is, how it will be formed. So this is the structure of both the glucose. So this is the glycosidic linkage. Okay. So 1,4 glycosidic linkage, CH2OH, CH2OH, again H, HOH, then OH, H, this is also H, OH. This is the 1,4. Here the first position 1. This is also OH, H. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth position. This is the first position. The first position linked with the fourth position. So that is called as 1,4 linkage. This is the first position here. This is the fourth position. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth position. This is the first position. This side, this is the first position. So 1,4 glycosidic linkage. This is the structure of maltose. Okay, so that's all about this structure of disaccharides. Next we are going to see them what is mean by proteins. What are the importance of carbohydrates? Mainly what are the importance of carbohydrate? What are the importance of carbohydrate? First one is, it is widely distributed in the plants and animals. Mainly is act as a energy sources and structural polymers. Mainly distributed in the plants and animals. And another one is main energy sources. And another one is carbohydrates stored in the body in the form of glycogen. Okay, what is mean by carbohydrate? நம்ம சாப்பிடுற ரைஸ் இது எல்லாமே வந்து இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு தேவையான calories. So that is energy will be all the carbohydrates are converted into glucose. The glucose only provided the energy. The excess of glucose is stored in the liver in the form of glycogen, but in the plant is stored as a starch. So in the body, normal in human beings, it is stored in the glycogen, and another one is in plants, it is stored in the form of starch. Okay, another one is carbohydrate cellulose, the primary component of plant cell used to make the paper and furniture, wood and cloths. So mainly it is cellulose is the primary components of plant cell. So mainly the wood, these are made up of cellulose. These are also used to make the paper and furniture and cloths. Okay, another one is simple sugar glucose serves as an instant sources of energy. So நம்ம திடீர்னு ஏதாவது விளையாண்டுட்டு வந்தா ஒரு ரொம்ப டயர்டா இருந்ததுன்னா சுகர் வாட்டர் நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணிட்டோம், குளுக்கோஸ் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா இமீடியட் எனர்ஜி கிடைக்கும். So that is instant source of energy. So that is glucose is act as a instant source of energy. And another one is ribose sugar are one of the components of nucleic acid. So ribose sugar, that is 5 molecules of sugar. Ribose sugar, that is 5 molecule of carbon containing sugar. This is also one of the components of nucleic acid. Modified carbohydrate, that is hyaluronate, that is act as a absorber or the lubricant. So modify carbohydrate like கொஞ்சம் modify பண்ணி ஸோ அதை என்ன பண்ணலாம், அப்சார்பரா இல்லைன்னா லூப்ரிகண்ட்டுக்கு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் தி இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் ஆஃப் carbohydrates. Okay, so that's all about the carbohydrate. Next we have the only one topic will be there, so that is called as proteins and amino acid, and another one is nucleic acid. So that's all about this biomolecules. That's all, only one day after completed the portion. Okay, thank you children, see the next video.